Welcome back, everybody. Today we are making a Midwest Mixer Original, the Amber Veil. To start off this cocktail, we are going to use 3 halved kumquats.
What's a kumquat taste like?
You don't want to know what a kumquat tastes like because it is awfully bitter. Where did my... There it is. My muddler go. Having a stroke. We're going to muddle the kumquats at the bottom of our mixing tin. Okay. Shaker tin, mixing tin. What is wrong with me? Okay, anyway. We're going to use 0.75 ounces of syrup. If you've ever had a kumquat, you know why we're adding 0.75 ounces of syrup.
Simple syrup.
Simple syrup. Sorry.
Like, is that maple syrup?
Oh, shush your tush. Then 1 ounce of passion fruit liqueur. Half an ounce of orange liqueur. What is all of that? You know what? We're gonna just keep moving because I don't know what all of that is. I have very many questions and not very many answers. Then 2 ounces of rum.
Aged rum.
Aged rum. Oh my.
You are losing it, man.
You know, it's been a day, man. It's been a day. That's all I'm saying. Now,
Apparently, is a cocktail open to interpretation.
yes, it is. Aren't all cocktails?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so it's back there. We're gonna add ice to our shaker tin. We're gonna shake for about 15 to 20 seconds until it's ice cold in your hand. Ow. It bited me. Okay. We're going to double strain into, for Pete's sake.
Yeah, you are on the struggle bus. Holy smokes.
That's what I'm saying. So we're double straining into our coupe glass. Because of the muddling, there is going to be a decent amount of pulp going through. So patience. Patience is key. Come on, you. Same thing. I'm going to use a spoon to get some of the pulp out of the way. Because obviously the mesh strainer is doing its job. But he need help. Okay. There we be. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. Gonna set that off to the side. Then for our garnish, I have a whole kumquat on a skewer. Whoa. Calm down, sir. I'm gonna go the other way.
See, I think you have it backwards.
Oh.
There
You sit still.
Looks good.
Et voila. So I'm now going to taste, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Even with it being an original, I'm going to give you my honest opinion. And 1 is going to be, I would have 1 cocktail, move on to the next one. 5, I would drink this all night and hate myself in the morning. Let's see what's going to happen today. Oh, it smells very sour with a hint of orange. Not super sour. You eat a kumquat on your own, you got problems.
You make a face.
You make a face. This is very light. You are definitely tasting all of the flavors, but they're not fighting with each other. So I do taste the passion fruit. I get like the sourness coming through from the kumquat. I do taste the rum. And again, and you get that nice like light bit of orange flavor. So you do taste each individual flavor, just all kind of lightly in different areas. This one, I'm going to go with a 4.5 out of 5. 4.5 out of 5. Like I said, very easy to drink. Not super sweet, not super tart, somewhere nice in the middle. And again, very refreshing cocktail. Of course, ingredients are going to be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right along with me if you have kumquats. If you have no kumquats, I don't know what to tell you. I found them at Woodman's, in case you were looking. Anyway, if you enjoyed the cocktail, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you at the next pour. Cheers.